Morning guys. Okay, this video is one that I have already filmed. It is the results of my week of, oh, there's a big daddy long legs, I need to get that. Got him. Yeah, this is the results from my week of doing muscle food. Do the Unthinkable plan. I will link all the other related videos up there and down there. But I did film this the day after we finished doing muscle food, which was Saturday. We finished and I filmed this video basically and just said me and Ben both lost 2.5 pounds each in a week, which was amazing because at no point during the week did I feel like, oh, I'm really hungry. I was just completely and utterly happily satisfied with my, I didn't ever feel overfull. I didn't feel hungry. I was just very happy the whole week. It was really, really nice. And yeah, and I filmed this basically to say that I loved it and I wasn't expecting to. I really was skeptical because I am someone who cooks all our meals from scratch. Like I make chili every week from scratch. I'll make pasta. I'll like physically make pasta, not get pasta from a thing, and I'll make homemade falafel. Everything is homemade. So I kind of like, I went into it a bit skeptical thinking that all these meals I just microwave, and I don't ever, I can probably count on one hand in my nearly 35 years how many microwave meals I have eaten before this week. So I was skeptical. However, I loved it. Absolutely loved it. And the video I made basically said that I was gutted that it was over because I lost 2.5 pounds. Didn't feel like I was on a diet. It was so nice. Like, because at the minute I've got, my eldest is going to nursery in the morning, but she has her lunch there. And I pick her up at 12:15 and she's already had her lunch. But then my other one isn't in nursery and she doesn't want her lunch till later. So then I'm doing her lunch and I've made lunch for the other one for nursery. And then it's like trying to get myself food and pack a house has just been a nightmare. But this was literally just, I sorted it into days and I was like, right, Monday, bang, bosh, in the microwave, and my dinner was done and it was lush. They were all so good. The only things I didn't like were the tikka masala curry stir fry mix, but that's because it was too saucy for me. I prefer a drier one. The flavour was nice, it was just too saucy. And I didn't like the popcorn or the peanut butter porridge. Everything else that I had, loved it. So basically, I was skeptical because of the microwave meals, but they're amazing. I love them. And I was saying how gutted I was that the week was over because I really enjoyed it. It was really good. I was annoyed that we didn't have a DVD player, but Ben has now arranged it so we have got a DVD player, so I can do the DVD, which I will talk about in a minute. However, Muscle Food have contacted me again after my first video has gone up. There's only one up at the moment. It's now the 9th of October. My first video went up on the 7th, which was my unboxing. And they basically said that they are willing to give me the plan for a month to follow and just do a weekly update, which is amazing. Like I'm blown away, absolutely blown away. I couldn't believe it. So I've said yes and I'm super, super happy, which is why I've had to refilm this video, because the other video was me just going, oh, I'm really sad that it's over. But I'm not sad it's over now because they're letting me do it for an entire month, which is just incredible. So thank you so much, Muscle Food, because I'm super excited and I'm going to get to do the workout DVD. I'm not going to lie, I'm not excited about doing the workout DVD because we have watched it's like a training, a fitness test to start with. Oh, I'm going to be very unfit. I'm not looking forward to it. But as with all exercise, I never look forward to exercise. But once I've done it, I'm like, yeah, yeah, and I love it. It's just getting me to do it is the issue, but I'm going to do it. So yeah, I will be following it for a month. Those of you that come here for Weight Watchers videos, I will resume Weight Watchers after this period of time is done. But for now, I will be carrying on the Muscle Food plan, the Do the Unthinkable plan. I'll link everything down below. I do have a discount code if you want to get £5 off the plan. Yeah, I'm just really, really thankful and happy and excited because I think with how stressful life is at the moment with the move and the kids, and I think I just needed something for me, and this kind of feels like this is just for me, where I can just I know I like the structure of it. I'm quite a manic person, and I'm always like 100 miles an hour, and everyone is just always just calm down, and I just can't. That is just my personality, and my anxiety just does not let me calm down. And I think having this structure of the food is something I can control, and I am very excited about it. So yeah, this is the replacement video for the one where I just whinged and was sad because it was over. No, it's a happy video. I will put everything down below that we had for the week, that I had for the week, and I will like rate it out of 10. I am a fussy person, and I was quite worried because all the rice pots and meals have like broccoli and cauliflower in, which I don't like. However, I now love them. I made our own version of it last night because we ran out, and I just got frozen broccoli and frozen cauliflower with some rice and some mince. Oh, it was so good. I don't know how, but yeah, it has converted me. I now love cauliflower. I didn't like the carrots. I had to pick out all the carrots because I hate carrots with a passion that burns deep inside me. But yeah, I'm excited. So we're going to have every Wednesday at midday, there will be a What I Ate Wednesday muscle food edition. It's probably not going to be filmed on a Wednesday, but we can pretend it's going to come out on a Wednesday. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel so we can be mates. Bonk the bell. Bonk the bell. Oh, bonk the bell. Hit the bell, don't bonk the bell. I'm going to go. I need to go to school. I don't need to go to school. The kids need... I'm just going to go. It's too early. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.